What's up, YouTube? I'm back.
And Instagram.
And Instagram and whatever else. I'm back. I know you missed me. I missed you guys. But what week is this?
It's week 5.
Week 5. Oh, let's go check it out, guys. Come on. So like I said, I couldn't explain it, but now that I'm doing it, I can show you. So, like I said, this will slide out. So these are heavy duty drawer slides. So they'll slide out, make the bed wider. Then what I did is I just built the frame all the way around, not all the way obviously, because I need something to slide. So then I put it on some hinges, so it'll lean back, like so. I'll add some struts. But then what I'm about to do is build this box all the way around that will mount to these and slide. Little revision needed. So after we did it, I was like, how are you gonna, like put a piece to support the back? And you slid it out. And they were like, oh, let's do this, let's do that. And then it was like, okay, well this piece needs to be thicker, the foam, and it was just like, okay, let's figure something out. And then we were like, all right, why don't we just put a piece on top like this, that's secure, and then it just comes out this way. So that this is a separate piece, it's just an inch lower. And then this way it's still...
And when we order the foam cushion, pull that back out, we'll order that piece right there a little bit thicker. Yeah,
just an inch thicker, so it'll match up, so it'll be flat, and yet it still opens up.
Perfect.
So there you go. Feeling that someone's always watching you. So, yes, I was out a week, as we just stated. Hurt my back, not working, not picking up a whole sheet of plywood by myself, but reaching down to grab some toilet paper so Ezra could blow his nose. As y'all saw in that quick little update last week, started on the pantry and the fridge cabinet. So that's there. And then after that, started moving on my way here. See, this will be a nice couch with the dinette. Table will obviously be here, drop down. But so with this couch, it's got slides, I've got heavy duty drawer slides on it. So, there you go. It's a nice big bed. Obviously this table will be dropped down so that it's just a huge sleeping area. I mean, you could stuff like 5 kids up here. But there you go. So.
And lift it up.
And then yes, lift it up. And it's storage underneath here. Look how great that is. So, along with up front, we've got our tank and freshwater tank and water pump. Got to finish up with that. Got another storage right there, another seating, nice big deep seating. Then it was on to kitchen cabinets. There's our Furrion, it's a 17-inch range.
So you can still make pizza.
Yes.
And cookies. Still
make pizza and cookies. Furnace will go down here. And then so we'll see. I'll have to read the specs on this and the furnace, see what kind of space they need. We might have a drawer here and might not. But let's move on. So the cabinets, there'll be a door, drawers, drawers. The doors, once you open them up, most of them, except for this one, because this is where the sink will be, they'll all have drawers inside the doors.
And I was really nervous about not having enough storage, but look at all this.
It's very deep.
Like, you have plenty of storage.
And there's still lots of room to walk in between here. I mean,